Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Minecraft on the Zalith Launcher. First, navigate to the official Zalith Launcher website and download the installer. It's crucial to ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Minecraft, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This initial step is quick and easy, getting you ready for the next stage. Now that the Zalith Launcher is installed, open it up. You'll see a clear interface where you can choose your preferred Minecraft version. There are usually many versions available, from older releases to the very latest. It's important to allocate enough RAM for Minecraft to run smoothly. 8 GB is often recommended for a good experience. This ensures your game loads quickly and performs without lag, especially with mods. One of the great advantages of using a custom launcher like Zalith is the ease of adding mods and resource packs. The launcher often has dedicated sections for browsing and installing these enhancements. You can find thousands of options, from visual overhauls to new gameplay mechanics. After downloading, simply activate your chosen additions within the launcher. This step allows you to customize your Minecraft world exactly how you like it, offering endless possibilities. With everything set up, you're ready to dive into Minecraft. Simply click the prominent play button within the Zalith Launcher. The game will then begin to load, which might take a minute or two depending on your system and the number of mods you've installed. Once loaded, you can start a new world, join a server, and enjoy your personalized Minecraft adventure. Have fun exploring, building, and surviving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.